Well, rain chances on the decrease. They may not totally be gone. Our highest rain chances were last night and this morning. So maybe one or two showers able to pop up and get going the next day or two. But in general, I think partly to mostly sunny skies will be back most of tomorrow and then getting hotter later this week. So highs kind of in the low 90s today, maybe more like upper 90s or even touching 100 or better in parts of the upper valley, especially by late this week and toward the weekend. Everyone saw some rain last night, some places more than others. We showed you some of these numbers at 5 o'clock. So here's just the map overall. The general trend was the rain was coming down from the west and north and weakening, so we kind of got less and less rain the farther east it got toward the coast. So most of these light blue areas, about a quarter to half an inch in Cameron and Wilsey counties. A few spots in southern Hidalgo County, parts of Starr County and near Falcon Lake, more than 2 inches. But most of the darker blues here closer to about 1 inch. So a few of our storm trackers calling in, and our total here also our KRGV studios. You see 1.75 was at Bullseye near Edinburgh, but the other side of town only about a half an inch. And then our studios here about a half an inch, and also La Reforma around a half an inch of rain. So again, a lot of places a quarter, half an inch or a little more in spots. Now it's been warming up. I think overall today was probably the coolest day you may see the rest of the week. It may be a couple degrees hotter tomorrow, then again temperatures keep going up after that. 90 right now in Harlingen, 89 in Brownsville, 93 in Rio Grande City. Your day planner for the day on Tuesday, I think we'll start off with maybe some patches of clouds. Say mainly dry, because if the clouds thicken up enough in the morning with the humidity returning, you might see a sprinkle. But during the daytime, the atmosphere is kind of quieting down. It was a little more unstable last night, and now it's trying to kind of squish everything back down gradually. But I think the air is still not quite stable enough tomorrow to really rule out any small chance for a shower. There might be one or two popping up kind of with a sea breeze or some afternoon heating. So kind of watch out for maybe the clouds towering up in spots, and you might get a shower or a brief downpour, but no widespread rain or big storms roaming around, it looks like. And then by 5 p.m. should be mainly dry and temperatures still in the low 90s. You can see all the rain that came through overnight. And again, this is an 18-hour loop going back to about midnight last night. And the rain came in from the west and north and kind of was fading, but held together enough, at least most of the night, to keep some decent rainfall totals around. But now it's dry. Most of Texas is dry too. Some showers near the coastal bend. A few bigger storms around Albuquerque and central New Mexico with a severe thunderstorm watch there. Future Track does have dry weather this evening. Notice late tonight it tries to show maybe a sprinkle or two if the clouds thicken up late tonight. And tomorrow the clouds may be around initially, but I think it will turn out more partly sunny. But you notice again, Future Track tries to bring to life a couple showers during the late morning and early afternoon hours around, and that could be true again on Wednesday. So rain chances 10% tomorrow, down to mainly dry Wednesday, and probably dry and hot after that for Thursday and Friday. So if you do want to cool off at the coast, highs in the 80s there the next few days. A little breeze from the east and southeast, but dry weather Tuesday and Wednesday at the island. So the first 1570 forecast, highs they're not going down. They're going back up. Highs near 94 tomorrow and Wednesday, 95 on Thursday. Keep in mind that will range from the upper 80s near the coast to the upper 90s in Starr County by Thursday. And then by the weekend, we could see temperatures maybe hitting 100 from about McAllen and westward, or McAllen and Edinburgh westward into Starr County. It looks very hot and very sunny for Memorial Day weekend. We'll track those big numbers again with the hot temperatures in your first 1-5 forecast on Channel 5 News at 5 and